Good morning. It's Tuesday, August 29th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Look at the precious metals overnight. They're firmer, but they are weakening up just a touch here, and this comes on the heels of yesterday's stronger session here. You got gold unchanged, 1947. Silver unchanged, 24.59. Copper's up 1 at 380, and platinum's up 8 at 981. Few things to watch here. You do have the jolts and consumer confidence coming out at 9 a.m. Central Time. Overnight news, China, they continue to provide some stimulus measures. What they're doing is they are cutting that banking reserve requirement, and then also they are adjusting some of the longer term mortgages. They're taking down that interest rate. So we saw those markets all much firmer in the overnight session, but they are drafting a bit lower here as the session goes on. Remember the previous session, they took a more aggressive stance on their stock market, which opened up 5%, and as the session went on, it ended up unchanged. So any kind of material strength in China, they've been selling out, and I think that it reflects on the precious metals, especially if you look at the copper market where copper hit 383 on December. Now it's only trading 380. So it all makes sense here at the moment. Other things that we're watching, silver, we are identifying some call spreads to the upside, looking at a potential breakout over that trend reversal point, which sits right around 24.75. So you'd look at the October 24.75, 25.25 call spread and consider that for your portfolio. Other things that we're looking at, the CME, the Fed Watch tool, shows an 80% chance that the Fed will leave rates unchanged. And if you did to play that gold seasonal where you bought on August 11th, you sold out on the 28th, which was yesterday, you would have came up as a scratch or slightly ahead on that seasonal. So we'll keep an eye on that. We do have one coming up in the silver at the end of the month. It's buying, no, actually it's the end of next month. Buying on September 30th, selling out October 25th. Looks like it worked out 12 out of the last 15 years. I'll post some details on that in the next few days. The trends right now on the precious metals, the only one that is bullish trade and trend right now is the platinum market breaking out to the upside. Copper is still bearish technically because it did break down, and then also on the gold market it is still bearish, needs a close over 1970 that'll flip that from a bearish to a neutral trend. And then on the silver market, a few things that we're watching here, 2406, that's the 200-day moving average, that's going to be one of the key levels of support. And then your trend reversal point, 2475, got to close above that, and then what you'll see is it'll go bullish trend and trade, and then the market will probably have some material short covering. So a few things that we're watching there. Got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.